What's good, everybody? This is H back with another 12 Hub TV video. We rocking out. Ray guns. Ray guns. Okay. So I finally got the jersey, the Vince Carter joint. Got on sale too, like I said in my Ray Guns video, which you can watch right here. Yeah, got on sale. So happy about that. Got a basically continuation of another video. So I did a video on the Air Force One experimental from the Nike N354 division, and I liked it a lot. I wore it around a lot, and I got a little bit of a recap and feelings on it overall, and I got a new colorway. I am holding a bottle of gum, pack of gum thing. All right. Yes, I got a new colorway, one that hasn't come out in the US yet, I think, but we'll talk about that next. So, what do I have? Air Force One experimental, N354 sale colorway. Let's go. So yeah, check out my other video as reference if you'd like. But this is the sale colorway. I have not even opened. I got the boxing last week, just shooting the video now. But the N354 One experimental, Air Force One experimental. So they put it in the standard boxing for Air Force One. I think I went into that in my last video. Not gonna dwell on it too much. I got this pair off of Goat. So retailed for, I believe, $120, and I paid approximately $184 with tax and shipping, roughly $207. No regrets there, obviously. So almost double what it's not out in the US, from my understanding. I went and researched it. I checked sneakers. And actually I saw it on sneakers as sold out. So I think it was a European release only for now, but it sold out, whatever. And it is what it is. So, it's opening up for the first time as we sit here. Kind of goes with the Ray Guns jersey. No, don't. That's really bright. Anyway, let's close it up. I like these shoes a lot. The experimental Air Force One. So N354. You can check the history. These things are Nike's very experimental lab where they remix older shoes. So basically, this whole shoe is kind of the inverse of an Air Force One, like a traditional one. It's made mostly of foam, like literal foam, I think, and it's like shrink wrapped in plastic. So as I squeeze, this one is a little more pronounced than the black. The black one has the black covers it, and it looks more like a gunmetal gray or a matte gray than black, but still pops. They all come with this fluorescent or neon or vault colored label on the back, which is dope. Guaranteed quality, all that stuff. This pops right here. I love this real neon orange look. This one's less. It's very sale, as the colorway says. Icy outsole, and this plastic stuff over the foam. Like, the foam is so comfortable. I wore the black ones a couple of times already, and the black ones, I have to say, from an Air Force One comfort perspective, were way more comfy than a regular Air Force One as far as the way it hugged my wide foot. So wide foot friendly for sure. Love this colorway. It's a great colorway. Nothing else more to say. The N354 is right there. And let me pull out the black ones for y'all. I'll be right back. So back with the black ones. The black ones. So basically the same shoe, but these are freaking fire. You go either or, but look at that. So you can see that with what I'm saying here. This one's got, the craters. Like, this peep the craters going all the way around the shoe. I think this one looks more like a traditional shoe than the other one. But look at the craters going all the way around this John. Ridiculous. Shoe's fire, man. I don't know. I don't know. The backwards Nike Air. So this is what I showed you all in the last video, and you really can't see it that well on this one, on the black one. So if you look there, you can't see like the shadow, even with the shadows, but this one is way more pronounced, and it's right there. So that's awesome. Upside down Nike Air, which I'm sure will get a lot of head turns when I pop this baby on. Arguably one of my favorite shoes for 2021 so far. Probably will make my top 10 at the end of the year. We're almost halfway through 2021. Can you believe that? So time just flies. It just flies. So this is something I did not notice, or I did not take heed of when I opened my one. So this thing hooks right here. So mine was unhooked when I bought these. So this hooks right here. I just noticed that. It's pretty dope. So it hooks right here on the black. Let's do that up real quick. Yeah, it hooks right there and kind of just stays there. And this one's already hooked in, these two. But I didn't know that was like that. So that hook right there, so you can kind of dangle these if you wash them and dry them, whatever. That's fire. I wear these a little looser, so I loosened up the laces a bit and got it. And there's two ways to obviously tie these. One is with the pull string here. It's like a bungee. You pull it and it tightens it, or you can use the regular classical laces, which are white. Doesn't come with anything extra in the box. I mean, besides dopeness. But yeah, these shoes, very different, but not like subtle different. What I like about N354 is that the difference, the things that they freak the shoes with, like how they freak the shoes is just, you know, material wise. Don't mess with the aesthetics too much, but they'll put like crazy materials. Like they did the one, the original N354 Air Force ones. They just put a strap here for no reason, a clear side panel on the medial side. They put, you know, just I think that was it. Oh, that shoe. But this thing, man, fire, just fire. Just the way they freaked this whole thing. This whole foam upper, hugged your foot lovely. Winter will keep you warm. That's when I wore them and when it was cold out. But just the subtle hits all over the backwards Nike Air. Great shoe, love it. Tell me below what y'all think. I'm for me, solid. The sale colorway. I don't remember what I gave the black. But this gets a 10 out of 10 all day. 10 out of 10. I think I haven't given a 10 out of 10 in a minute, but 10 out of 10 from H for this shoe because it's freaking amazing. Okay? Undeniable to me, but you tell me what you think. Shout me out below. Like, subscribe if you're new here. And we got a bunch of fire stuff coming. So, show the love. Much respect out to everybody who lasted to the end here, but, you know, it is what it is. So, peace, and see you on the next one. I'm out.